I got it.
Let go of me!
Hurry up!
He touched me when I didn't even think of that.
Sarah!
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Back up.
It's okay. What is
Hey,
happening?
back up.
It's okay.
Back up over here. Let him deal with what you gotta do, okay?
Come this way. Yeah.
She able to grab it.
Take her out. What happened?
So here, she wouldn't go down here, so I'm like, time to go. She's like, no, you're just like every other guy, we don't care. I never touched her at all. And then we got her to come down here, and she wanted to cry. I'm like, I don't care. And I was like, we don't care. Just leave my bar. And she just turned around and went, bam. Like,
And you want to press charges?
sure, yeah.
Hit somebody on the stairs.
She didn't hit me, but she was
Can I see video?
She was grabbing me.
Video?
Yeah.
The 19th of April, 2026, Rick's Bar, Key West, Florida. A patron refused to leave. On the way out, she struck a security officer. Surveillance caught it. She had a different story. By the end of the night, it didn't matter.
Help me, please. Please help me. Please help me. Please help me. Please help me. Mom, help me. Mom.
What's your first name? Sarah? Sarah, I'm Officer Davis. So,
Please get me away from.
okay. Alright, where are you visiting from? So,
Please, I want my mom.
alright, give me a second. What?
My heart hurts.
Your what?
My heart hurts.
Your heart hurts? So you need to see rescue. Right. So what do you mean by that? Because I'm taking, if you say that your heart hurts, I'm thinking that you're having a heart attack.
No, it's a little bit.
So you're like heartbroken.
It's okay. Keep talking.
Huh?
It's okay.
Alright, well, okay. Well, just to let you know, you're going to jail tonight, okay, for battery. Alright? So,
Did I hurt someone?
yeah, you did actually. Go ahead and put your foot in for me.
Can I tell who?
Huh?
Who?
The security officer. That's it.
I don't recall hurting anyone.
Okay.
Everything hurts. I hate myself. I hate my life. I don't even want to be alive. I love you, Kelly, but it is not the life I want to be alive in. Look at me. This shit. I'm sorry, Dawson. I'm sorry, Dexter. I fucking love you, sweet boys. Mom and Dad, f you for not fucking loving me. F you. I fucking love you, but f you for not fucking loving me back. My heart fucking hurts. Can somebody just get me the out of here? Get me out of here. want to leave. Get me out of here.
What are you doing? You alright? Come on, sit up for me, okay? Okay, what's your first name? Spell it for me.
S-A-R-A-H.
I can't hear you.
S-A-R-A-H.
Middle name? What's your middle name, love?
Yeah, they'd asked her, well, they had to escort her down the stairs, too.
What's your middle name? I mean, your last name.
Multiple times.
What, just too much to drink?
Yep. He's not touching her
R,
or anything.
R,
Pointing, telling her really clearly he's got some distance in the
O,
O,
right in the jaw.
N. What's your date of birth, ma'am?
God, my teeth makes me so. I'm sorry. My
Ma'am, I need your date of birth, okay? I can't help you out.
It's
Okay.
July 9th.
What's the year you were born?
96.
96.
I'm just
What's your phone number? Alright.
trying to be.
Alright, try to be fast, alright?
Can somebody take this shit off of me? I'm so uncomfortable.
We're gonna do our best. The quicker we get this done, the quicker they come off, okay?
You know. Thank God it was a f***ing asshole. Power trip.
Hey, ma'am, listen here. I'm gonna
Okay.
tell you to chill out one more time now.
I'm trying to, but I'm trying to also
So last time,
trying to calm myself
get my shit
down.
now.
She cutting up?
Okay. Yeah, okay.
I'm not
Feet on
trying.
out, shoes on.
I'm not trying to cut up. I'm just
Alright,
trying
but I need you to
to.
chill out now. Relax.
Okay.
One of the nicest officers, but don't piss me off.
I'm not trying to. I'm just trying.
All right, I got you.
Oh
Thank you very much. I appreciate you.
Sarah,
Yeah.
we're gonna, I'm gonna transfer you to my car, okay?
No. Why?
Are you gonna be ladylike and able to walk? Or...
Why?
Alright, so this is how this is gonna go.
Wait, why is he?
You're not gonna be doing all this screaming and shit, okay? You're going to jail, okay? That's the end of it. Alright, there's no changing that. You put your hands on somebody and that person wants to press charges, so you're going to jail. You understand me? Okay, so we can either do this the easy way or we could do this the hard way. The easy way is I'm gonna take the seatbelt off, you're gonna walk to my car and sit down in there, okay? The hard way is that I'm gonna have to grab you and then throw you in the back of my car. What do you prefer?
Look.
You prefer the first one, right?
Yeah.
All right. Why'd you take your shoes off? All right, I'm just waiting on you. Besides alcohol, what did you take tonight? Doesn't matter. You can't get charged for it, but you obviously have taken more than alcohol. Take any pills? Are you on any type of prescription medication or anything like that? Okay.
Sarah, what state is your ID out of? Why you way over there?
Yeah, I don't know.
What state is your ID out of? Virginia, that's why. Okay.
All right, we're gonna get out the car now. Okay. Okay. So let's get out. Try to put your sandals back on. We're gonna walk this way, Sarah. This way. So if you don't listen to what I'm telling you, then I'm gonna have to grab you, okay? So let's walk this way. Like now.
Wait, do what?
To this car over here. I just told you like 5 times already. Let's walk up the step here. All right, pay attention. There's a curb here. There's a curb. So step on the curb. Oh, good job. You're following directions. Right over here. This car. All right. Okay. Okay. Go ahead, take a seat. There you go.
I hate myself. My parents hate me, and I hate me, and I fucking hate me. My heart fucking I hate myself. We don't know. My heart hurts. My dad raised me to fight back, which is fucking insane because he fucking abused the shit out of me. So he abused me. He taught me to fight back.
Sarah,
and then what?
You know what the problem is?
What?
The problem is you were asked to leave. Is there any specific reason why you decided to turn on a red light? Alright, well, you need to pay attention to the street lights. If I didn't have somebody in the back right now, I'd be writing you a citation for that. Pay attention.
Okay. They did put their hands on me because they hurt my friend. They did. I wouldn't touch anyone unless they hurt my friend. I have my own issues, but with everything that's going on in the world, I don't even pay attention to that shit. Unless it affects my immediate friend group or issues in my life. I pay close attention when I watch them with my friend who is, I don't even know what the she is. Trans? Maybe. I don't know. They're being disrespectful.
I watched the video footage. He didn't touch you, and you just turned around and clocked him. Which is a battery in the state of Florida.
And my job fucking sucks. All we do is clean up shit left and right.
Florida battery statute: intentional, non-consensual physical contact. No injury required. First-degree misdemeanor. Up to 1 year in jail and $1,000 in fines. Florida trespass statute: a verbal warning to leave, followed by refusal, satisfies the offense. No physical contact needed. Both charges are separate counts under Florida law. The exposure stacks. The subject's account changed 3 times during the stop. Inconsistent statements are admissible at trial to attack credibility. The officer reviewed surveillance footage before the confrontation. That footage established probable cause independent of anything she said. The subject claimed the contact was provoked, that security touched her first. Florida law permits a justification defense, but only where force was objectively necessary to prevent imminent harm. The footage showed no prior contact by security. The defense has no factual foundation. She also cited emotional distress and past trauma. These are sentencing considerations, not elements of a legal defense. Florida battery is a general intent offense. The prosecution proved the act was intentional, not that she intended to break the law. The bar is low.
can get abused by my f***ing manager.
What do you do?
Nursing.
You're a nurse?
Yeah. All I do is get abused by bullshit, and I f***ing love it, but I also f***ing hate it. Like, you don't get paid shit to clean up after people, to f***ing love people that nobody else f***ing loves.
As a nurse, you're dealing with people on a regular basis. So
Yeah, people that get f***ing left behind by their family because they're f***ing tired of it. They're tired of the same shit over and f***ing over again.
So why would you come down here to Florida on vacation, out of Key West, out of all places, and then catch a battery charge?
Because I have f***ing issues. My f***ing heart is broken.
I understand that, but that
doesn't. I wasn't hurting anyone.
justify you hitting somebody, especially a bouncer.
He was f***ing touching me.
I just told you, I watched the video footage.
Okay,
He
and?
was not touching me.
Yes, he f***ing was. Watch it again. He f***ing was.
Why are you getting upset with me?
Because he was. Are you gonna f***ing tell me that he wasn't when he was? Okay, and I explained to you that he f***ing was touching me in a way that made me uncomfortable. Okay, let somebody f***ing touch you in a sexual way that's uncomfortable. How about you react in a way that's f***ing proper and professional? You don't know what the f*** I've been through in my past, what the f*** I've been through in my life. I can't wait to get taken advantage of once I get to jail too. That's gonna be super f***ing fun.
All right, Sarah. You've come a long way in the last 20 minutes, okay? So I'm not gonna hold you like a baby. I'm gonna let you get out and walk, okay?
My shoes are in the car.
I got them right here. We're gonna go right up to those doors, okay? To the elevator. This way. Like I said, you'll be out first thing in the morning. Well, I mean, I can't. We're beyond that point. Let's go. Please don't make me. Okay, Sarah. Please don't make me grab you like a child. Okay, let's walk.
Please don't leave me. Please don't leave me.
I don't have to say it.
I don't
On the
want
elevator.
to. My heart hurts. Please
Your what hurts?
leave my heart.
Sarah, I understand your heart hurts. I get that. But again, that doesn't justify you hitting somebody. Okay? All right. We're not doing it. You didn't want me to touch you. Now you trying to come and hug me? No. All right, let's not lean up against that, please. Let's not. You see this bench here to your right? You're going to take a seat there, okay? Let's go.
Please don't go with me. Please
I'm
come with
coming.
me.
I am. I have to. All right. Now go sit down. This is Sergeant Rodriguez. I suggest you be very nice, okay? Go ahead.
Officers A. Surveillance secured before confrontation. Complainant statement documented. Arrest followed the evidence. Under Graham versus Connor, officer conduct is evaluated on the facts known at the moment of the decision. Every call here holds. Subject D. The account shifted. She disputed footage she hadn't seen. She volunteered statements that had no legal benefit and strengthened the probable cause record against her. Florida battery required intentional contact without consent. She provided that on camera. The right to silence was available throughout, unused. 3 takeaways. 1 in Florida, battery requires no injury. Contact is enough. 2, surveillance footage operates independently of your account. By the time you explain yourself, the officer may already have the answer. 3, emotional context and perceived provocation carry no weight at the probable cause stage. They matter at sentencing, not here. Subscribe for weekly Bodycam legal analysis. Drop a comment. Does the trespass charge hold without the battery? See you in the next one.